Hello children, welcome to Tottledom from St. Paul High School. How are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. So your Hetal teacher is here and today it's study time? No, it's time for activity. Today's activity name is paper twisting. Material you required, that is few color crepe papers, scissor, scale, pencil and glue. So now we will take any crepe paper. I am taking yellow color. You can see the strip. You have to cut it into half. Okay. Now you can see with your fingers, you just have to twist it slowly. As you can see how I am doing, slowly. Yes, now you can see how slowly you can twist it toward downwards. Just you have to twist it slowly you have to go downwards. While twisting you have to twist it properly so that the paper doesn't get open. As you can see how am I doing with the finger, then you have to complete it. Okay, till the other end. Thus you can see now your one string is ready. Same way we will do it with the other color, that is orange color. From the corner just twist it little bit and that's it. With your finger you can roll it properly, roll it little tighter. Just keep on doing, keep on twisting. Slowly come towards down. Yes, you can see. Twist it with your fingers. Just keep on twisting till the end. You have to twist whole strip. Make a thin twist till the end. Roll it little tighter. Yes. So now this orange string is ready. Now we will twist purple color paper same way. We'll keep on twisting with fingers. Children, when you are twisting this paper, they develop fine motor skills. They improve their hand and eye coordination. They learn vocabulary, tearing, twisting with their finger. Just keep on twisting till the end. With your fingers, while twisting, twist little, roll the paper little tighter to get a perfect string. As you can see. So now your purple strip is ready. Now the last color, that is a pink color. We'll do it same way. Okay, we'll start rolling with our fingers from the very corner to get a perfect string. Roll it with your fingers. If you are rolling slowly and a little tighter, you'll get a perfect string and the paper will become thick string. Just keep on rolling toward downwards. As you can see, while rolling, the end part is also getting rolled up. Okay, so just keep on keeping straight and get rolled up. Just now complete the end part. Yes, get it done. Yes, after finishing, just stretch it and give a proper twist. As you can see, yes, this is how now our 4 strings are ready. You have to make rest all stripped ready. With the help of the paper twist, here is a twist. As you can see, teacher is applying gum. Okay, here you can take your photo, okay, to make a photo frame. So here teacher has taken a piece of sheet. As you can see, there is a picture on it. She is going to apply gum and she is going to stick it on the card. Okay, one white sheet. As you can see, same way you have to stick your photo. And now with the help of this string, we are going to give a border. Which all your favorite color you can take. Here I am using purple color. So I'll apply a gum and I'll stick 2 string of purple color. Okay. After sticking the extra part, that is the extra string, you can cut it off. You have to cut it little slanting. That's cut. Can you see? Okay. As you can see, I have cut the border in slant and thus we have completed one side border. Now we'll stick another border. We'll apply a gum. We'll spread that gum. Here I am taking orange color string. It is up to you children, whichever your favorite color, you can go for it. Use proper color combination to get an attractive frame. Now this is how stick the other border and remove the extra. Give slanting cut. Now the other side of border, apply gum, spread it with your finger. Now I'll use over pink color string. Yes, I'm using 2 string. You can use 3, 4. It's your wish. As you can see, press it, and again remove the extra. Give slant cut. You're cutting slant, it makes a perfect border, perfect corner. And the last one, the yellow color. Stick it properly. Press it gently so it gets sticked, and now you can cut out the extra. Isn't beautiful? It's so easy to make paper border with the help of a piece of paper, and that also with our fingers. Wow, that's amazing. Children, with your creative mind and your creative idea, you can create a beautiful borders or any picture, and you can border it with the paper, with the help of paper, that is paper twisting.
I hope that you have enjoyed this activity, right? Okay, parents, please help their child to get this activity done and post it on our Instagram page and tag us. That's all for the day, children. Bye.